guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my channel so you get notification of any new videos that I bring out. If you like my channel, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, leave us a comment in the box. Okay guys, let's get straight into it. Today I want to talk to you about keywords and keyword research. Now I found a fantastic tool or software, online software that you can use. It's far less complicated than Google Analytics keyword research tool. I found that a bit very complicated, so for people who want simplified keyword research, this is the place to be, guys. So I've put in, you'll have to wait until the end of the video before I tell you whereabouts this tool is. Absolutely fantastic it is, by the way. So I've put in the keyword make money online here, and this is the results what I get. This is today, look, the 23rd of March 2020. Make money online, and these comes up in graphs like this. I know you can't see these keywords very well on your screen, guys, but trust me that I'll show you a little tip in a minute. So you get the graphs for different keywords for, with, is, can, with the make money online niche. Absolutely tons of them. And here at the bottom you've got all these, look, in alphabetical order, and right down at the bottom there should be, there you are, these are all bang on, up to date, as fresh as you can get it. The keywords what people are searching for right now on make money online. Your top 20 results are there, and all you have to do is just press the data button there, and it should put you in a format where you can just list it out. There you go. So you can download those, copy and paste them, do whatever you want. Those are your top 20 ones. And just scroll back up here. If you like, you can also just get the data off these graphs here, look you. So you've got all those keywords there. You can actually just download the whole page and it'll give you all the keywords in a CSV. How's that, guys? All that data for nothing, for pressing one click, 2 clicks, and you've got it all on your computer, all those keywords. Absolutely fantastic. Just another tip, guys, if you want to click on one of these, how to make money online UK, just for example, click on that, gives you the latest Google results for that particular keyword. So this is where the site is. It's called Answer the Public, and you can find it on answerthepublic.com, and I'll leave the link below this video. There is a pro version, but you can use it for free and get all this information. So if you like what I'm doing on this channel, guys, spread the word, subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, leave us a comment in the box. I'll leave all the links below this video. See you again later, guys. Take care.